If you're managing diabetes, you might be curious about insulin pumps. But exactly how do these devices work to manage blood sugar? Let's start with the basics. What is an insulin pump, and why is it so vital for many people with diabetes? An insulin pump is a small, computerized device that delivers insulin continuously throughout the day, closely mimicking the function of a healthy pancreas. The system consists of three main parts: the pump device itself, which houses the brains, the insulin reservoir, and the infusion set. Unlike traditional injections, the pump provides a continuous and precise flow of insulin. The reservoir is a cartridge you fill with insulin. This holds your supply and sits inside the pump, acting as the immediate source for delivery. The infusion set connects the pump to your body. It includes thin tubing and a tiny, flexible cannula inserted just under the skin to allow insulin access to your bloodstream. This constant delivery method is called continuous subcutaneous insulin infusion, or CSII, which offers a steady stream of medication. Insulin pumps have two primary modes of delivery to cover both baseline needs and mealtime spikes. The basal rate is a continuous, small amount of insulin delivered every few minutes. This covers your baseline metabolic needs when you are not eating. Bolus doses are larger, on-demand amounts of insulin delivered to cover carbohydrates in meals or to correct high blood sugar readings. Modern insulin pumps are highly sophisticated and include advanced features that improve usability and outcomes. Many pumps integrate with continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, allowing them to receive real-time blood sugar data for smarter dosing decisions. The most advanced systems, known as automated insulin delivery or hybrid closed-loop systems, can automatically adjust basal insulin delivery based on CGM readings. Why choose a pump over traditional injections? The benefits are significant, impacting both health and lifestyle. Pumps often lead to improved blood sugar control due to the ability to fine-tune basal rates and administer precise bolus doses. They also offer greater flexibility, simplifying the management of meals, exercise, and daily life without the need for multiple injections. To wrap up, let's summarize the functionality of this incredible technology. An insulin pump continuously delivers precise doses of insulin via a basal rate and on-demand boluses, using advanced technology to mimic the body's natural processes. If you are considering an insulin pump, please consult your healthcare professional to see if this treatment option is right for you.